hungry community. Today, as I promised in my previous video, I'm gonna make a vegan mushroom soups, which includes the dry wild mushrooms. I'm gonna soak them in hot water. I'm gonna use pickled mushrooms, which we made with you previously in other video. I have fresh oyster mushrooms. You can use any mushrooms which are available in your grocery shop. I like oyster mushrooms because the texture is more chewy and it's more almost meaty, and it's very satisfying to have this chewy, crunchy thing in your soup. Add the water up to 3 liters. And put on the fire. And we have to cut those pre-soaked mushrooms. To this amount of 3 liters of liquid, add 2 teaspoons of the salt. I have a secret with you to share, but first please allow me to move this pot to the bigger stove because I need a space. The secret is when you frying your mushrooms, allow your mushrooms to release their moisture first, and because you have to get rid of those mushroom moisture. So you add just little bit of water on your frying pan and just just tiny little bit of water on the frying pan. And after that, add your mushrooms to the frying pan. As you can see, our mushrooms shrunk pretty much, and this is good time to put 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I'm gonna put sunflower oil. Now my mushrooms are ready, and I'm gonna put them aside because I have to make zakuska. Do you remember what zakuska is? Zakuska is the base of your soup, such as fried onion and perhaps some root vegetables such as carrot, but this particular soup doesn't have any roots vegetables. It will have only onion, which is somewhat root as well. Now when your onions saute nicely, you should add the tomato paste and just warm that, not cooked it really. Just leave it for 2, 3, 4 minutes and it should go to the soup. Now is the most easy part. You put all ingredients together. First, who is gonna join our boiled wild dried mushrooms? They're not dry anymore. But first, who follow them is gonna be fried mushrooms. Second on the list are our salty mushrooms. And bring these magic mushrooms to boil, and you should leave it for 5 minutes. Intense. Very intense. Bring your magic mushroom soup to boil. Turn the heat off completely and let it rest for just few minutes. The special thing about this magic soup, it's how to serve it. It's a really magic soup when you have a hangover. Some people even eat this in the morning, like my human does. He eats the magic soup in the morning. This is the real morning of the real Russian man. After partying heavy at night, he eats the soup, drinks vodka, and go to work.
Go to work.
Go to work. Yep.